loves, and welcome back to my channel. I'm here with a long awaited video, my hair update. I have not done a hair update for almost a year now, which is crazy, but it's actually really timely that I was ready to do my hair update today because I just took out my crochet twist last night, so you guys can see what's going on with my hair right now. My hair is here in all of its wonder, so I'm gonna get into what's been going on with my hair in the past year, what I've been doing with it, my feelings about my hair, it's grown, and why I haven't been updating on it. So as you guys know, generally I wasn't updating on YouTube like at all pretty much in the past year anyway. Most of it had to do with the divorce and other transitions that I was going through at that time. But even if I did have the time to come on YouTube, I don't think I would have come on to do a hair update for a few reasons. So the first thing is, it's not that I totally regretted my big chop because I had, like you guys saw, my hair how it was before. It was pretty long and it was really damaged from putting too much heat on it without enough protectant during my wedding. So it needed to go, but I did cut a lot and I ended up not feeling the same about it like I did after my first big chop. My first big chop was October 2014. And then my next big chop was March 2017. So my hair in the front was about this long and I chopped it to about my lips. So that was a good amount, and the back was about the same, and I cut it up to my collarbone. So it was a huge chop and I think I wasn't prepared for it. And a few reasons, I think there's a few reasons for that. So first of all, when I chopped my hair the first time, I was in grad school. I had a lot of time to be doing my hair and I could focus on my hair. Like I could really give my hair the attention that it needed to see what it was doing, see what it liked, try out different styles, try out different products, methods, all of that. Like I just had a lot more time and patience to do all that, and I didn't have that this time because I wasn't in grad school, I was actually working full time. It was more of a stress to have new hair this time around. If anyone's ever chopped off a lot of their hair, you will know that your hair is going to act differently from when it's long than when it's shorter. I knew this was going to be the case because in the pro side, it was behaving healthier, smoother, more buttery, healthier. Just those were all the things I wanted. The cons were that I didn't expect it to behave so differently that my methods didn't work anymore. So unfortunately, I had subconsciously gotten really used to styling my hair and doing the methods and products that I was using on damaged hair. I didn't realize that until I started to do the same things on my new hair and it was not working. First of all, it was healthier, it's curlier, it probably had better porosity, so it behaved differently. Second of all, I did cut different layers and shapes. So as you guys can see what's going on with my hair, these pieces on top are kind of like layered out like this. My hair does not grow like that. I cut my hair like this last year for the big chop, and the reason why is I got kind of tired of my hair always being really long in the front. So instead of these pieces being here, normally they would come all the way down and meet like right around here. It gives you a little bit of a different look for stretch styles, and for wash and goes and curly hairstyles, it definitely gives it more of a heart-shaped look, as opposed to now I have a little bit more of an even look, and I'll just insert photos so you guys can see what I'm talking about. I am happy about the fact that I did the layers. It's cool that I tried something different and I do like it, but it was a struggle at the beginning because I was so used to styling my hair a certain way. The pieces on the top were obviously falling differently. It was just like so confusing for me, and it was like a frustrating time because I would try to style my hair. The products I don't think were working well for my hair anymore, the methods, even the styling, like where I part my hair and where I do the twists and braids and how I take it out wasn't working. And at the same time I had a full-time job, and then you're in the atmosphere, like a corporate atmosphere, and you're like not sure how is appropriate to wear your hair. And then I start worrying like if I should be wondering about what's appropriate, like it's natural to my hair, it should be appropriate. All that was stressful because I wasn't feeling confident about my hair because it wasn't doing what I wanted to do, and I'd already gotten so used to doing my hair, and I kind of felt like someone switched the game up and gave me a new head of hair, and I was just like, what? Not to mention this was March going into April, May, June, and my hair was definitely being affected by the humidity of the weather, of spring turning into summer, and so my hair is really poofy, and just was like so much to deal with that I threw my hair in a protective style. I got crochet twists for the first time, and I really loved it because it gave myself a break from my hair, and I knew my hair was kind of like moisturized, so I ended up keeping that in for 6 weeks, and I absolutely loved it. So I ended up doing that a few different times. Starting with March when I did my big chop, most of the year following I was in crochet twists for my protective style, which was a choice that I made, and it was a great break for my hair. Obviously, you know, everything else I was dealing with at the time, dealing with my hair was not something I wanted to be doing, and it worked out for me. I think a lot of it had to do with the length and the curls being weighed down a certain way and behaving a certain way. And the other part mostly was not having the patience and time to do my hair. By the way, October, this is me finding out I'm pregnant, like being sick, falling asleep, being really tired. I just didn't have any patience to do my hair. So I threw my hair back in some twists recently just so it could look decent for holidays. Basically, it's been a struggle, and I would say for a certain amount of time I fell out of love with my hair. I think I'm regaining it back now because I just didn't have the time. It's like having a hobby that you love but you don't have the time for. So it's almost like what even is a hobby that you don't have time for? It's like a looming aspiration that you never get to. That's how my hair felt for most of this year. And I'm feeling like I'm in a way better place now because I have way more time and energy and patience to do my hair. So I'm really excited about doing my hair, and I'm gonna bring tons of videos to you guys about my hair now that I have the time to do it. So my hair right now, it's kind of like a braid out. I literally just took out my crochet twists like yesterday, and I had cornrowed my hair underneath, and I was gonna style it, but then I was like, actually this is looking okay. Like, it's not looking that bad, really. It's fine. It's fine. I'm gonna wash it in a couple days, and I figure I will record my wash day for you all so you guys can see what I'm doing to my hair for wash day right now. And I'm sure I'll just continue to do updated routines, because I will say, although I have routines that I'm doing, I won't say they're my best routines. So I will continue to improve them, and I'll just probably come back to you guys and record more updated routines. So I'll bring my wash day, I'll probably do a wash and go, and then I'll just talk to you guys about how I moisturize, products I use, all of that. And I want to bring all that to you guys periodically, you know, as my next hair videos, because it's been a while. And I didn't do very many styles to my hair, but being in the protective style, as you guys can see, just comparing from now to March, 9-10 months later, it grew a lot. Like, it grew a lot. You guys remember I had straight pieces in the front from my nose to my lips. I slowly trimmed those away in the summertime, and so my natural hair grew back from my nose back down to where it is now. And I'll do a length check for you guys, I think exactly a year. I think that makes sense. But it has grown a lot since then. That's kind of my long hair update that I've been meaning to come to you guys and share, just like where I've been, what my hair has been up to, and like why I haven't been sharing about it. And it's because I wasn't that excited about my natural hair, but I am now. I'm really excited to see that it's grown so much and it's really healthy, and I'm really excited to bring you guys tons of videos. So please leave requests and suggestions down below for styles you'd like to see me do, and other hair videos you'd like to see from me, whether it's like the products I use, how I moisturize, how I trim, the like. So please let me know what you guys want to see, guys. I'll see you in my next video.